This is a beautiful 71 Datsun 510 wagon. And thanks to one of my subscribers for providing me a handful of Nissan collections. So the good thing is there's only 2 posts here in the front where we could cut off and grind down. So I've taken out as much material as I can for now, but most likely I'll have to come back to clean up or take off more materials when the front assembly has gone in. So here we have the chassis. This is the front cross member. We have our left and right steering knuckle and the motor mount. Now all that needs to be done is start cleaning things up. I'll have to remove the supports here and use a file to sand it down smooth, and then drill the 3 holes here. Same thing for the chassis. I'll open up the pockets here so the on and off switch can fit, and also the charging port can fit. And since I usually oversize it just a little bit, I'll have to go and sand down the sides. Now for the original chassis, I had it cut up and I saved the front piece and the rear piece. And what I've already started doing is drilling holes. It's much easier to drill holes on plastic pieces versus the metal die cast. If I drill holes on the metal die cast, these tiny drill bits will be dull in just a second. So I will have to drill these holes here in front for fog lights, and holes for the rear bumper for bumper lights. Here's a quick wiring diagram of how I wire up all the components to the receiver. Alright, now it's almost completely assembled. I left the front cross member loose. I haven't glued it in yet so I can adjust the length of the wheels. Same goes for the rear end. Now we can do a quick test fit, just to see where we are with the, I think it's okay there. Alright, let's see if this will work. Everything's in place. Let's turn it on. Yeah, I can already see that there's some interference. So the bumper sticks out a little bit, so when I do a left turn, the wheel is hitting the bumper, so I'm gonna have to shave that down. Looks okay.
Daddy.